Welcome to the best picks. The best Oyster Blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances for seafood lovers and culinary enthusiasts. Its powerful motor and specialized blades effortlessly crush oyster shells, creating smooth and creamy oyster sauces, bisques, and even cocktails. This comprehensive review will explore its features, performance, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if this specialized blender is the right addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. This blender is designed to make your life easier. It's powerful and versatile, perfect for all your blending needs. It features smart settings and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, and more. You'll get perfectly blended results every time. The dual-direction blade system provides extra blending power. This ensures that it chops and grinds ingredients with precision and efficiency. With 1,200 watts of power and 900 watts of ice crushing power, it can handle any task. It's the perfect choice for making frozen drinks and smoothies. Its 6-cup, dishwasher-safe glass jar is made to last. The large capacity is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or other blended recipes. It also includes a pulse feature for added control, a 50% larger blade system, and a 24-ounce smoothie cup. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. It comes with an Oster 10-year Duralast all-metal drive limited warranty. This shows our confidence in its quality and durability. It measures 14.25 by 7.25 by 8 inches with a 16-inch cord. It's compact enough to fit on any countertop. What we like? It has smart settings and a powerful dual-direction blade for perfectly blended creations. If you need a versatile blender with extra power for various recipes, this is the one for you. Its high wattage ensures smooth results every time, making it ideal for those who value efficiency and precision in their blending. What people say. Not only is this blender able to handle everything I give it on a daily basis and it has blended strong for 5 years, it also is just a really great blender. The jar is glass. It's heavy duty and doesn't make that horrible scraping sound that plastic blenders make when scraping out the insides with a spoon. Because it's glass, it is clear and not foggy like the plastic ones get over time. The blades are removable from the glass jar and dishwasher safe. It is super powerful even on low settings, and that's what I wanted, and I love the feature too that I also wanted where you put a smaller size container with smoother drink ingredients right on the base to whip up the smoothie and then take it with you, with a cover that comes with it, so you don't spend time pouring into the bigger blender container to make the smoothie and then into a cup or portable container to go with you. Number 4. Oster 40-ounce Blender. This is the Oster 40-ounce Blender, a powerful and versatile addition to your kitchen. It's built to last and makes blending a breeze. With 700 peak watts and 450 blending watts, it effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes ingredients. You'll get perfectly smooth results every time. The innovative Crush Pro 4-blade system uses stainless steel for precision chopping and pulverizing. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to perfectly blended perfection. It's built to last with Oster's 10-year Duralast all-metal drive limited warranty. This blender is an investment in your kitchen's future. With 16 speeds, from pulse to puree, you have complete control over the blending process. Get exactly the consistency you desire. The 5-cup borosilicate glass jar is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Cleaning up after blending has never been easier. It includes a 2-ounce filler cap with built-in markings for easy measuring and pouring while blending. It's designed for your convenience. This blender is made with high-quality materials including stainless steel, borosilicate glass, and silicone. It's built to withstand daily use. What we like? With 16 speeds and a unique 4-blade design, it offers superior control and precision. If you are looking for a blender that can handle a wide range of tasks with adjustable speeds, this is perfect. Its multiple speed settings allow for customized blending, making it suitable for both novice and expert users. What people say. Good power, well built, does not make much noise. It is so much lighter and easier to handle, and I use the pulse to get things started with my frozen fruit smoothies and then switch to the smoothie button. Can take it apart for a thorough washing and not strain my arthritic hands. Plus these Oster blenders can use small mason jars with the base to grind or puree small things. The glass jar is very sturdy, and though some might find it heavy, My 9-year-old granddaughter can lift it and pour the contents pretty easily on her own. I appreciate the durability and quality. Number 3. Oster Classic Blender. This blender is a kitchen essential, offering versatility and durability for all your blending needs. It's designed to make food preparation easier and more efficient. With 16 different speeds, from a gentle pulse to a powerful puree, you have complete control over the texture of your creations. Achieve perfectly smooth results every time. The included food chopper makes quick work of chopping vegetables, nuts, and more. Its 3-cup BPA-free jar and stainless steel blade ensure easy and efficient food preparation. The 6-cup borosilicate glass jar is both durable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Enjoy the convenience of effortless cleanup after every use. The 2-ounce filler cap allows you to add ingredients while blending, without making a mess. The built-in markings help with precise measurements. It's built with an all-metal drive and backed by Oster's 10-year limited warranty, ensuring lasting durability and performance. You can trust it to stand the test of time. We're so confident you'll love this blender that it comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee. Experience the difference of quality and reliability. What we like. It comes with a handy food chopper attachment and 16 different speed settings for ultimate versatility. If you need a blender that can also chop food, this is a great option. Its classic design and additional features make it a practical choice for those who value convenience and functionality. What people say. The Oster Core 16-speed blender with glass jar is a versatile and powerful blender that is designed to make all your blending needs easier. At last, a blender that will handle the heaviest load of frozen items. One of the few blenders with a glass jar. Avoiding the toxins in plastic. Number 2. Oster Pro Blender BLSTTS CB2-000. Introducing the Oster Pro Blender, making blending effortless. It takes the guesswork out of achieving the perfect consistency every time. With its innovative texture select technology, it offers more control than traditional blenders. Choose from various automatic settings for smoothies, shakes, and more. Its unique dual-direction blades pull ingredients down for incredibly smooth and consistent results. Experience blending like never before. Boasting 1200 peak watts and an extra-large blade, it effortlessly handles even the toughest ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. It includes 2 convenient blend-and-go cups, perfect for taking your creations on the go. Enjoy your smoothies anywhere. The included 8-cup Tritan jar is dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and resists stains and odors. It's built to last. This blender comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee, providing you with peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. What we like. This blender boasts innovative texture select technology and a powerful dual-direction blade for perfectly consistent blends. If you value precise texture control in your blends, this is the one for you. Its advanced features make it ideal for creating various textures, from smoothies to salsas, with ease. What people say. Solid and sturdy, and it does a great job, plowing through smoothies that would pack up in our old blender. The BPA-free carafe and smoothie jars seem like they'll last, and they won't shatter like our previous glass unit did. Easy to clean. It has 1, a small attachment container for smoothies. I use this. 2, a large attachment container for blending larger things like soups, etc. My wife uses this. The smoothie setting starts off slow and runs the blade forward and reverse a few times with a slight pause in between as it gains speed. The milkshake setting starts off slow and has several pauses in between as it gains speed. Mostly I use the smoothie function as I find the forward and reverse action of the blade to really help get the ingredients mixed well with the even consistency. Number 1. Oster Blender 48 ounces. This blender makes creating smoothies, soups, and salsas effortless. Its intuitive design ensures perfectly blended results every time. Say goodbye to inconsistent textures. It offers various settings for achieving your desired consistency with ease. It features innovative texture select technology. This gives you precise control over the texture of your blends, offering 3 automatic food modes and 3 texture settings. With 800 peak watts and an extra-large blade, it effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients. It's designed for speed and efficiency. It includes a 24-ounce blend-and-go cup, perfect for taking your creations on the go. Enjoy your smoothies and shakes anywhere. The shatter-resistant glass jar is dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring both durability and safety. It's built to last. Cleaning is a breeze with the dishwasher safe jar. Refer to the user manual for helpful blending tips and hints for optimal performance. We're confident you'll love your new blender. It comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee for your peace of mind. It's made with high-quality materials including stainless steel, glass, and silicone. See the user manual for a complete list of materials. What we like. It's simple to use with 3 manual speeds and comes with a sports bottle for easy on-the-go blending. If you are looking for a straightforward blender for quick smoothies and shakes, this is a great choice. Its ease of use and portability make it perfect for those with busy lifestyles. What people say. It easily blends all my frozen fruit into liquid puree quickly. The glass pitcher is larger and heavier than my old one. The lid makes a very tight seal. Works great and cleans easily. This blender has been an amazing addition to the kitchen. With outstanding blending power, it handles smoothies, soups, and ice effortlessly. The variety of speed settings and preset programs make it easy to achieve the perfect consistency, while the touchpad controls are user-friendly. The blender's sturdy build and high-quality materials ensure durability. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and its compact design with cord storage is ideal for small kitchens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.